What's going on, everybody? Smooth One Production. I'm having a beef patty with cheese for dinner. Also, it's an unboxing of a viltrox 33 millimeter 1.4 STM lens. This is the lens in the box. I also came with the, can blow the lens out. Came with a lens cleaner. Came with I think a couple of filters. That's alright. That's alright. Okay. Gotta open it. Oh, okay. Box slides out to the side. Ugh. Okay, where did I put my little razor blade? Okay, now I gotta cut. I cut that. Hey. I gotta cut again. Let's see. A little deeper. A little deeper. Oh, I cut my skin a little bit. Okay, this is the viltrox. Whoops. Paperwork, more paperwork. More paperwork. More paperwork. Okay. More stuff. You know what that is. Here we have it, the lens. Smells new. Lens pouch. Front cap. Back cap. Front cap. Lens hood. Hood on. Take the front cap off. Take the back cap off. I'm gonna try it out on my Sony A7R3. Take my lens off. Put the new lens on. hood on. And what do we have here? Put the ISO up. Okay. That's it so far. Alright, that's the end of that right there. It's on. I gotta mess with it a little bit, and I'm out. Hey, what's going on, everybody? These are photos that I took for the first time with the Viltrox 33mm 1.4 autofocus lens on my Sony A7R3. These are the photos that I've taken. These are the first photos I've ever taken with this lens. It's the Viltrox 33mm 1.4 lens. The autofocus is great. It tracks the eye, it tracks the head. It's very good lens. It was a $250 investment. I think I'm very happy because I did not have a 35mm or a 45mm or a 24mm autofocus lens. So this 33mm autofocus lens will help me with the 35mm focal length. I think it's crop sensor, so it's possibly it might be a 50mm focal length, but I'm very pleased with the results. As you see the photos, these are the first photos that I've taken. This is pretty much Smooth One Productions, and I want to thank you for letting me show you photos that I've taken with the Viltrox 33mm 1.4 lens. Well, it's more photos to come. I'm just snapping away. As you can see, snap, 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 and I'm shooting on my Sony A7R III camera. I just did the unboxing. You see the photos, and this is what's going on. This is what you see. This is Smooth One Productions, Brooklyn freelance photographer, videographer, and these are the results that you see from this particular lens, the Viltrox 33mm 1.4 lens that I'm actually showing you pictures that I've taken, and that's about it. I've had enough. This is Smooth One Productions. If you want to do some photo shoots, video shoots, you can hit me up on Instagram at DJ Smooth B.